Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. This is my February box. I did take a little sneak peek inside the box, so I do know from a glance what is in the box, but I have not tried out any of these products yet or swatched them or anything. So we're just going to dive right into it. I also apologize, my hair is in its natural state at the moment because I just didn't have time to actually do it. So there's that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It does come with the little card. The theme of it this month is called Afterglow. It has the card information, the description, and all of the pricing on the back. So I'm going to keep this handy, that way when I talk about each product that I got, there you go, we can talk about it. So the first item I'm going to talk about is the, is the Touch and Soul No Poreblem primer. Really pretty packaging. It's like baby pink primer. This retails for $18. There's that. I am going to go through all of them, and then we're going to go back in with some with the products and use them. So there's that. The next product in this month's box is the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Love this. Yeah, I'm excited. I want to see what it smells like. So obviously, I did open the box. I went ahead and just took off the little. Interesting. Yeah, so it's a honey and it has hyaluronic acid. Yeah, this is cute. So this retails for $22. I'm not mad about that. I do love a good cleanser, so there's that. Then there is the Too Faced. This is really exciting in itself. So both of those items, so the Farmacy item in particular pays for the box itself. The box is $21. This is $22. And then you get a Too Faced mascara. That is $24. I mean, we all know the Better Than Sex mascara. Yeah, so we all know the Better Than Sex mascara, and it's just a really good wand. And then we got, so the fourth product we got is the Trestique. So I have mini versions of this in particular from my Ipsy box, and I really do like this product. It is their Prime and Color Lip Glaze. This is in the color English Rose. It does have, this is a primer on the end. So this is a primer, and then this is the lip product. So you basically, look how cool. So the minis don't come with that. So the minis don't come with this little primer. It's so cute. And then it comes with, it's this really pretty rose color. Okay, and so the last and final product. Okay, so this is the issue with the box for me. So I have received Pretty Vulgar products in my Boxycharm before. I literally have the same packaging. It's just blush. This time it was a highlighter. Unfortunately, so as weird as this is gonna sound, so it comes with the foam, right? So there's two layers. So they decided to put it underneath, and it shattered. I don't know why. I've never had a package arrive like this. So literally everything else was sitting on top, and then they put the product in there, and for some reason it broke. So unfortunately I really can't show this one to you, but it was their Shimmering Swan highlighter in Sparkling Sass, and it was so pretty. But look, oh god, it literally hurts my heart. Look at that. Ugh. So I am in the process of talking to Boxycharm support. I haven't heard anything back yet. I will update you guys on Instagram, on my Insta stories, but as of right now, I literally got 4 products in my Boxycharm because the other one broke and I can't use it. So it's really upsetting that it was broken. I literally just have the same product and it didn't shatter the other time before. So I don't really understand why it shattered this time. Maybe they were a little bit too rough with my package or whatever in the mail. But yeah, so I am pretty much gonna go ahead and try on all of these products and we're gonna go from there. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and use some of the products and I'm gonna go ahead and put my makeup on. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Touch and Soul primer that we got in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of put it all over my face and we're gonna see what my initial reaction is gonna be, because I'm interested to see. So I'm literally just gonna put it on my T-zone just because that's where I would normally put my primer. I don't put it anywhere else. So we're gonna go right on in with that. Yeah. It feels a little like greasy. It's not like a tacky, like, the description says that the green tea and collagen acts as an adhesive, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So it says it gives your skin a soft velvet feel. So I'm all for a velvet feel. Also, I'm breaking out, y'all. But yeah, so we're gonna see. It did go on really nice. It doesn't have a strong smell, which is a plus for me. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with just my foundation and I'll pop back on. Alright, y'all. So I went ahead and just did all of the rest of my makeup underneath or over top the primer. I have to say it is not a skin smoothing primer. It didn't smooth anything. Like, I can still, yeah, you can very much still see like my pores here. Yeah. I mean, I don't mind it. I'm gonna give it more chances. Obviously, like the first go around, it might even tack up really nice. So yeah, so there's that. I am gonna go ahead and go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm not going to try the Farmacy cleanser just because I already washed my face before this, so I'm not gonna wash it again. Plus, I like to give it some time. I don't want to judge a cleanser. I mean, it's a cleanser, so I'm gonna try that separately and give it some time. I'm actually gonna go ahead and go in so my lashes are literally like boards. They stick straight out. Did a really good job. Yeah, I did a really good job. So there's that. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and go in with the Trestique lip color and English Rose. I'm actually gonna use the primer side, which is so cool, y'all. So I'm gonna zoom you in. But yeah, so this is the little primer side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my lips. So there's that. It's so cool. I love how it goes directly in the bottom of the lipstick. So now I'm gonna go ahead in. For the purpose of this product itself, I'm not going to use a lip liner. I like this color. It's pretty. Yeah, so that's actually a really pretty color. I really like this one. I'm a sucker for lip colors, so they could send me literally 6 lip colors or lip products and I'd be happy. So yeah. So like I was saying earlier though, so I have the highlighter in this month's box was broken in this box. but I received the same packaging, same brand, same everything from Pretty Vulgar, and it's their blush from Pretty Vulgar. So I don't understand how this one didn't break. This is the first time anything's ever broken for me. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and use this a lot. I go between this one quite a bit. I went ahead and just finished everything up. I added like some glitter. Just went ahead and just added some glitter to my lid using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I got this in last month's Boxycharm, which is freaking phenomenal, but it literally looks like this. It's just all glitters, that's the only downside to it, but other than the broken product, I actually really like this box. Boxycharm is really hard to disappoint me. I don't think I've ever been disappointed once in any of the boxes that I've owned. This is the first month we haven't gotten a palette in a box. I get most of my palettes from Boxycharm. I get most of my brushes from Boxycharm. It is such an incredible service. I like hashtag not sponsored, I promise. That pretty much concludes this entire video. I used the 3 beauty products or makeup products in the box. I just didn't use my cleanser. I'll be using that later. I'm gonna give it some time and actually try it. It does smell good. I've heard good things about Farmacy as a brand, so I'm super excited to try it. But hopefully you guys like this video. It was pretty short and sweet. And thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And to follow along on this journey with me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Thank you.